What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some truck work on my 2017 Tacoma. As cool as the truck is already, it does not have sliders, and I want to try to go and actually do some legitimate off-roading. And without the sliders, I'm kind of sketched out about, messing stuff up. So I ordered some cheap sliders on Amazon. We'll see what they look like, and we'll do the installation. And I'm gonna do my best to not use YouTube. Just kind of go with it and try to do it myself, and basically show you guys how to install them. I guess if you buy the same ones, or you can take a look and see if you like them. So the ones that I bought are the Tyger. We'll open them up here, do a little unboxing, so you guys can take a look. I'm kind of hoping it did come with hardware. So here's the other guy. Here's a box. Assuming this has the hardware in it. Alright, let's see what we got in the box here. So, bolts, nuts, washers. So as far as differentiating between left and right, the front of it, so the part that goes towards the front is supposed to be this. Yeah, so it's this side, the part that goes to the front. There's like a longer side here. So look at how this looks like, and then this side is just flat. So this is the back, front. So this is the right side of the vehicle. So then this is the left. So passenger, driver side. So looking at the driver's side of the vehicle, the instructions say to mount up to here. So there's like this one here, there's this one here, the little plastic plugs, and I think this one's already missing the plug. And so basically where it wants you to mount it, let's go outside here. I'm laying on the second floor here. Let's get a good angle of this. So it wants you to mount to the inside of here, which is chassis. So this is the frame, this is the chassis. So technically these aren't frame sliders, they're chassis sliders. So I don't know if that's very appropriate for the purpose, of taking a beating. And I mean, I guess the whole point is to protect the chassis, to protect the door here from denting in here. So I'm still gonna mount it and I'm gonna ride it and see what happens. But I assumed or thought that frame sliders would mount over here to the frame. Alright guys, so the first thing I did was remove these plastic screws, basically like placeholders, from the front here. There's two down here in the middle, two, and then in the back down there there's two. They match up, you will tell that they damn, it's bright out. They match up with these with the brackets there. So I'm gonna be using my my motorcycle jack to help me lift it up there and position it. I started to put them all on and I forgot I should probably put some Loctite on it just in case they loosen up. So I'm gonna take them all off, put Loctite on them, and then put them back on. Alright, so that's the way it looks. Not a huge fan of the stars here, but it's not that bad. I mean, look at it from the side here. I don't know if say you want to get in and I don't know, maybe if you're short you might have problems getting out, so like on the way to reach out it kind of makes you have to step even farther out. I mean, other than that, it's not that bad. It's really not made to climb up because it's not a step. There's no way you can use it as a step. You might as well just go all the way up. Doesn't look bad, so we'll do the next side. Fucking ratchet rolled all the way down the hill. How the fuck did that even happen? No. Keep losing things down the hill. And if you want to get exact here, the torque spec is 15 to 16 foot-pounds on these guys. Alright, there are the sliders. The Tyger. Amazon Tyger sliders. Let me know what you guys think about them. I don't think they look too bad. Pretty decent looking. Hopefully they can take some punishment. Yeah, those sliders are for the 2015 to 2019 models, I believe, and you do have to mess around with it, try to get the holes to match. So just kind of you bolt it on, or you put the bolts in like hand tight, everything loose. Just get every bolt in. You know, there's usual things that people should know, but you know, just telling you guys, don't tighten one side and then try to go back to the other, and then they won't match. You know, try to get everything in first, and then torque it down. And that's about it. See you guys on the next one. Hopefully the next video will be us off-roading and putting this thing to the test. Peace out.